All right, let's see if we can do something here. No. I think the bayonet attack is, yeah, when they played it before. Not exactly the way they played it. Like you see some 91, 93, but basically they quickly expand on the queen side against the King's Indian. So many options what to do here. Thank you. Let's see if we can make you proud here. I don't see a way out for this. Okay, this might be a way out. No, I don't think so. All right, let's see. Did I say bayonet attack? Like this was interesting, and then bishop g3, but this has to be winning. All right, got that one. Let me just see, out of curiosity, after bishop e6, knight e5, queen g5 was good, and then here, okay, it was bishop e5. Bishop e5 right away. So bishop e5, queen g3, or queen h4. Now let me see, was this any good? Yeah, I guess that works too. And then, yeah, queen h4 or bishop e5. Yeah, the thing is that all of their pieces are on the wrong side of the board.